Hi. Welcome to Did You Know? The channel with interesting facts about everything. Today we're going to talk about real dragons, the Komodo dragons. Did you know these facts about Komodo dragons? Komodo dragons are the largest living lizards in the world, with adult males often reaching lengths of up to 10 feet, 3 meters, and weighing over 150 pounds, 70 kilograms. Their imposing size makes them apex predators in their native habitat. While it was previously thought that Komodo dragons killed their prey solely through bacteria from their saliva, recent research has shown that they also possess venom glands. The venom contains toxins that can induce shock, inhibit blood clotting, and lower blood pressure, contributing to the effectiveness of their hunting strategy. Komodo dragons are capable of a rare reproductive phenomenon called parthenogenesis, where females can produce offspring without fertilization by a male. This means that female Komodo dragons have the potential to reproduce and maintain genetic diversity even in the absence of males. They're truly mother and father at the same time. The Komodo dragon belongs to a group of lizards known as varanids, which includes other large monitors such as the lace monitor and the crocodile monitor. These lizards have a fossil record dating back millions of years and are considered living relics of ancient ecosystems. Komodo dragons are believed to have evolved from larger ancestral lizards that once inhabited Southeast Asia. Fossil evidence suggests that their ancestors were even larger than modern Komodos and may have coexisted with early hominids in the region. While Komodo dragons are renowned for their ability to take down large prey such as deer, wild boar, and water buffalo, they are also opportunistic feeders. They scavenge on carrion and have been known to consume smaller prey like birds, rodents, and even other Komodo dragon hatchlings. Cannibalism is not uncommon among Komodo dragons, particularly among juveniles and subadults. Older individuals may prey on younger or injured members of their own species, further emphasizing their role as apex predators in their ecosystem. Society of the Islands. Komodo dragons possess a keen sense of smell, which they use to locate prey over long distances. They have a specialized sensory organ called the Jacobson's organ, located on the roof of their mouth, which helps them detect scent particles in the air. Komodo dragons employ a sit-and-wait hunting strategy, where they patiently wait near water holes or game trails for potential prey to pass by. Once an opportunity arises, they ambush their target with surprising speed and agility, using their powerful jaws to deliver a lethal bite. Komodo dragons are native to a few Indonesian islands, including Komodo, Rinca, Flores, Gili Matan, and Gili das Ami. They are considered a classic example of island gigantism, where species isolated on islands evolve to larger sizes due to the absence of competition and limited resources. They inhabit a variety of ecosystems ranging from dry savannas to tropical forests. As island dwellers, Komodo dragons have adapted to their environment in various ways. They have developed strong claws for digging burrows and climbing, enabling them to access different habitats and escape predators. Being cold-blooded reptiles, Komodo dragons rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. They bask in the sun to warm up and retreat to shaded areas or burrows to cool down, maintaining an optimal body temperature for digestion and other physiological functions. Komodo dragons hold a prominent place in the folklore and mythology of the Indonesian archipelago. They are often depicted as fearsome and mystical creatures in local legends, representing both danger and awe-inspiring power in the cultural imagination. Komodo dragons are capable swimmers and have been known to swim between islands in search of food or new territories. They can cover long distances in the water, aided by their strong limbs and muscular tails. So there's another reason for not going into the water. The teeth of Komodo dragons are serrated, similar to those of sharks. This aeration helps them to inflict deep wounds on their prey, allowing bacteria from their saliva or venom to enter the bloodstream and cause infections that weaken or kill their victims over time. Female Komodo dragons typically lay their eggs in underground nests, where they are protected from predators and environmental fluctuations. Interestingly, the sex of the hatchlings is determined by the temperature at which the eggs are incubated, with warmer temperatures producing males and cooler temperatures producing females. While Komodo dragons are apex predators in their ecosystem, they are not without natural enemies. Young Komodos, in particular, are vulnerable to predation by birds of prey, snakes, and other carnivores. However, adult dragons have few predators due to their size and aggression. Komodo dragons have a relatively long lifespan, with individuals in captivity known to live for several decades. While exact lifespan estimates in the wild are challenging to determine, some Komodos are believed to reach ages of 30 years or more. Komodo dragons hold cultural significance for the people of Indonesia, particularly those living on the islands where the dragons are found. They are revered as symbols of strength, power, and resilience, and feature prominently in local art, folklore, and traditional ceremonies. Komodo National Park, located in Indonesia, is a popular tourist destination known for its stunning landscapes and unique wildlife, including the iconic Komodo dragons. Visitors to the park have the opportunity to observe these fascinating creatures in their natural habitat and learn about conservation efforts aimed at protecting them for future generations. While Komodo dragons are typically solitary animals, they may exhibit social behavior on occasion, particularly during mating or feeding. Despite being solitary hunters, Komodo dragons exhibit gregarious behavior at carcasses. When a large prey item is available, multiple dragons may gather to feed together. This behavior can lead to intense competition and occasional aggression among individuals vying for access to the meal. Komodo dragons communicate with each other through a variety of visual and chemical signals. They engage in ritualized displays such as head bobbing, tail raising, and mouth gaping to establish dominance, assert territorial boundaries, and facilitate social interactions within the population. While Komodo dragons are primarily sedentary creatures, they may undertake seasonal migrations in search of food or breeding opportunities. These movements are influenced by factors such as prey abundance, environmental conditions, and territorial dynamics within the population. The saliva of Komodo dragons contains a diverse array of bacteria, some of which may play a role in aiding digestion. These bacteria produce enzymes that help break down proteins in the prey's carcass, facilitating the dragon's ability to extract nutrients from its meals. Komodo dragons have several anatomical adaptations that make them formidable hunters. Their long, muscular tails serve as both a weapon for striking prey and a means of maintaining balance while running. Additionally, their flexible skulls and expandable jaws allow them to swallow large chunks of meat whole. The survival rate of Komodo dragon hatchlings is relatively low, with many falling victim to predation, starvation, or cannibalism by adult dragons. Only a small percentage of hatchlings reach adulthood, underscoring the challenges faced by these vulnerable young lizards. Komodo dragons share their habitat with a variety of other species, some of which have evolved symbiotic relationships with the dragons. Birds like the yellow-crested cockatoo and the white-bellied sea eagle may scavenge on carcasses left behind by Komodos, benefiting from the dragon's hunting prowess. Komodo dragons play a crucial role as ecosystem engineers, influencing the structure and function of their habitats through their hunting behavior and scavenging activities. Their presence helps regulate prey populations and nutrient cycling, contributing to overall ecosystem health. Komodo dragons have a highly acidic stomach environment, which allows them to digest large chunks of meat and bone efficiently. Their stomach acid has a pH level as low as 2, comparable to that of battery acid. just like me on a Sunday night. While male Komodo dragons play no role in nesting or raising offspring, females are responsible for digging nests, laying eggs, and protecting the eggs until they hatch. After laying their eggs, females often guard the nesting site to prevent predation by other animals. The real mother of dragons! Komodo dragons have a specialized respiratory system that allows them to breathe more efficiently. They possess a series of air sacs distributed throughout their bodies, which aid in respiration and contribute to their high endurance during prolonged hunts. Komodo dragons exhibit color variation within their populations, ranging from dark gray or brown to greenish yellow. This variation is thought to be influenced by factors such as age, diet, and environmental conditions. Komodo dragons have been observed exhibiting unique behavior during wildfires, including retreating into burrows or seeking refuge in bodies of water to escape the flames. Their ability to survive and adapt to fire-prone habitats highlights their resilience in the face of environmental challenges. Komodo dragons are listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their remaining habitats and ensure the long-term survival of this iconic species. Wow! Did you know that? Now I've got to go to that Komodo National Park and watch the Komodo dragons, but from a safe distance, of course. And did you know that you can subscribe to us? We have fun, random, and interesting facts about everything. Aruba, Jamaica. No, wait, that's Kokomo, not Komodo. Selling that Tingao.